up? You
nice.
trying to get a race in or what?
Let's get it. 1, 2, 3. The M3 Albino. Did I arrive right on time? See what we got here tonight. You see the ZL1, or is it? The little 5.0 Beamer boys, the M3 Beamer boy. You see me right there. Of course, the Scat tucked away. The Mero, the Pontiac, Vet. Young Jimmy and the Scatpack killer. Uh-oh, the Raptor.
Hey Louie, I'm on YouTube now, finally.
Oh yeah?
I got, I can go E now. Like 4 gallons of E30.
That's
I can
right.
do 100 octane, 4 gallons. And it automatically reads the octane with the tune I have.
That's right, bro.
18 pounds max.
Sheesh. How's it feel? Feel better or
Feels
what?
nice.
Yeah?
Feels like a new truck. I don't want to
Yeah,
get rid of it
seriously?
no more. Yeah.
Oh, you were thinking about getting rid of it
Yeah,
or
I
what?
was thinking about it, but I was like,
Can't get rid of this thing, bro.
Yeah.
Is that Daniski? In the Z06 ski? All the cars down there. Mad cars. Carbon fiber hood.
Hey, Gabriel, they want to hear it.
They want to hear it. Damn, bruh.
So it has like.
Is that a turbo diesel?
Brake cover.
I like it.
And
I like the wheels.
The rotors on it, and a lot of people are like, the
Shots fired.
Can I go, Mikey?
He's ready for you, Jimmy.
Oh! ¿Qué pasa?
Is that the Shelby?
I gotta go home. Hey, get one this thing.
Look at Jimmy calling him out. He didn't even give him no time, bro. He just barely rolled up. That's one of the runs tonight?
Yeah, I see you. I was confused. Now I'm fucking Michael Myers.
You buy one for 20, you get more for free.
Shorty on a tire now? Damn, homie. Okay. Big Cali stuff.
Oh.
The Q.
Okay, we all got skeletons.
Yeah, was it just all trucks and shit? I don't know, we're over here in Mexico about to get some runs in, some digs. Looks like a bunch of trucks. That spot was burnt, and as you can see there's way more people coming right now. Damn. So we're going to a different spot. He's gone. That's what happened last time I watched Jimmy. Oh, he's gone though this time.
Oh, Jimmy was catching us.
Yeah, a little bit. Damn, this road fucking sucks. Nice one, brother.
We're gonna run it back out.
Alright, got you. Come on, Jimmy. He said, I know. Oh, shit. Yo, that was close.
Hey, Jimmy was right there, dude.
That was a fucking race. Line it up, fool. He said he's down. I'm gonna turn around. Fuck it.
I don't know. Nah, extra weight helps.
I won't.
We're gonna spend too much.
I won't make you guys wait in the cold. It's not like we're racing for money.
Yeah. Hey.
I got a full whip, just so you know.
Yeah.
Who's in there with you?
Here,
oh, okay.
I'll say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I told you extra weight. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, low key, it helps a little bit on those digs.
I'm telling you.
You got a little swirly right there, dude.
You see that shit?
Hey, I see you, Jimmy.
What? That's slow boys. What you talking about?
You lost traction or what?
This road's hella shitty.
Yeah, it is. Damn.
What the fuck was that? You hear that shit?
Yeah. Was that a tire? It sounded like some fucking squeaky type shit.
Yeah, it sounded like a door going open, close, on.
Yeah, like,
And this thing right out of Russia. Ice water to the Atlantic. Night calling.
they about to get a roll in. Nice.
Get a race in or what?
Let's get it. Oh, yeah, that road's sketchy as fuck.
I was even launching a second gear.
Who won out of you and you? Wait. One of them was hella close. I forgot which one it was.
Which one? Was it mine? Versus
I think
Jimmy?
you and Jimmy won that last one, bro.
I was like ahead until like 90, 100.
Yeah?
Yeah,
And he caught up or what?
good. Yeah, he was railing me in after like 90, 100. He was like next to me.
Oh, yeah.
The 0 to
good.
60 is good on it though.
Yeah. I probably got hella rock chips in my shit now.
Hey,
I was like
for
following.
real,
Nah,
It's
that's all
gonna be from
good.
fucking recently.
That's bird shit.
Oh, what about this?
Got him! Got him!
Oh, it's all that bird shit. As you put your finger across it. Alright, man, I'm up out of there. Cool little night, you know, chill little night. Nothing crazy, just a small little meet. Friday night, you know what I'm saying? We just kick it, get some rolls in Mexico, you know, have a little fun, just kick back. You know, kind of whatever happens. People get called out. Just, you know, go out and have fun, man. But I'm up out of there. Cold as hell. I still got hella videos to edit. So man, stay tuned for all the content to come. Appreciate you guys stopping by and kicking it, especially everybody that is still here at this point of the video. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you guys more than anything. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop that like if you like. It does help out a lot, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Hit that sub button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. We got a whole lot of stuff coming. Upgrades for the Scat, you know what I'm saying? Performance and cosmetic, man. We're just getting started, all right? Got the gaming channel popping off. If you guys are interested in that, all links are down below in the description for the merch, for everything, man. Anything you guys might need, anything I use on the channel, it's all down below in the description. But like I said, man, I'm gonna see you guys real soon. Until then, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.